And I had worked leveraging AI, mind you, like for a week or so on this talk. And I wanted there to be a key takeaway of the audience being inspired as to how AI could be used to force multiply each individual developer on a game team. And like one of my favorite things was I had a slide of like Rosie from the Jetsons folding laundry because we want
Right.
AI to be folding our laundry, not, doing our work for us. And that was my core premise is how do we use AI to be able to bring games back into possibility? Games like World of Warcraft, which now people say MMOs are too expensive, we can't develop those, you know, all of that crap. Like I actually want to play more MMOs and nobody wants to fund them, but maybe with AI, they're more within reach. So the feedback was really positive. And in fact, somebody said it was the most inspiring talk that they'd ever heard about AI, which I was like, good job, Irina. Mostly good job, OpenAI, for helping me out with getting a really great breakdown. But also, that was really the point because AI is really a game changer. And if we stop letting the bean counters cut jobs because they think AI can push button make game, which by the way, it can't, and I don't think it ever will. I think we can get to a happy place.
Wait, so what is the breakdown? I've heard about this most inspiring talk that I am very, very curious. And since I'm occupied with this, I can't go into YouTube and look for it.
Oh yeah, I don't think actually it's on YouTube. I don't think they recorded it. They might have taken a few photos, but literally it was, how I kind of came up with Infinite Realms and our approach there in that when I was a kid, I read a lot of books, like a lot of books. Now I'm an adult and I run two businesses and have three kids, and who has time to read? At the same time, when I was younger, I had notebooks full of like world building. Like I'd finish a series and I'd keep writing the series after it was over because I fell in love with those characters, those locations, the magic systems, mostly the dragons. Now you'd think that more of those book series would be developed and turned into games, but now we deal with things like, oh, is there an audience for it? Will it sell? We don't make games for people who are not straight white men from 18 to 35, right? Our development green light window is a lot narrower.